What the hell is this weather, bro? It is so warm. Now, it is crazy warm today. I mean, thankfully we got some cloud coverage, which is always nice to see on a hot day like this. We got a 20% chance of rain apparently today at about 4 o'clock. It is currently 1:49 p.m. So today's agenda is basically just flying a drone around my local park, because last time I flew the drone, it wasn't all too successful now, was it? But I just wanted to capture some nice scenery and make the most of the weather while we've got it, because honestly, I feel like over here in the UK, the summers last less time than in Sweden. And I'm pretty sure we've all seen the Family Guy Swedish summer joke.
Yay! Summer's here!
Awesome!
Best summer ever!
Let's stay friends!
Now I will say this is a public park that has a play area, and it is now the school holidays, so it's probably going to be packed, especially given the fact that it is really warm. Overflow car park is there. I'm assuming... Oh, I've still got my indicator on. I'm assuming I'm going to park over here, because I'm guessing there are no... Oh, there's a parking space here. I can probably park here. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and get ready and fly this drone. Batteries are fully charged, so got no issue there, but let's go ahead and get it done. I also just wanted to request that if anybody is out in this heat and in this sun that's beating down on all of us right now, please wear sun protection, and also please bring out a bottle of water so you can hydrate, because it is very important that you protect your body inside and out. It is 32 degrees, which again, in Fahrenheit for my American friends, is going to be right here. Goodness. Also got to wait for this to update and stuff. I didn't do it before I left the house, but oh well. now we head back to the bike. I had to cut the flight quite short because there was a manned aircraft, as you saw, flying overhead, and law mandates that if there is a manned aircraft in the area, you are to perform a landing so as not to interfere with their operations. Now all that's left to do is ride home, cool down, try not to get heat stroke because, again, I am British. But thankfully, I have my bottle of water, so I am staying hydrated. Quite frankly, I think the reason people think that the weather is strange is because it was so sudden. Like, a week and a half ago, it was, what, 9 degrees? Now it's 32? Not right, is it? I mean, there's a fairground I was just recording on the drone. Hopefully they didn't mind a UAV flying overhead. I am so incredibly warm. I'm not looking forward to putting my trousers and my jacket on. There she is. These bags are really cool as well, these panniers, because they are the perfect size for my drone's hard case. Both of them, even. Look at that, perfect fit. I mean, I even changed my shoes as well. Just walking in motorcycle boots is really not fun. Always make sure you've got sunscreen. Please. In weather like this, I beg you. Look after yourself. So before I forget to take this off and ride off with the lock still in there again, I'm gonna take this out. I mean, no, I didn't forget to take the lock off. What do you mean? Who said that? Must have been the wind.
Must have been the wind.
Hiya. I always try and stop recording if somebody talks to me because I don't have their permission to film them. And there were children in the car as well, so that makes it doubly necessary. I mean, let's get my bottle of water out of my pocket. Oh, it's so warm. It's so warm. Well, the sun's gone in, that's nice and cool. See, it's nice when the sun goes in and the clouds come over and we get some shade. Now, no, I'm not going to be saying this next week because it's going to rain. Insert clip of the rain that I have predicted. It is currently the 1st of June. Happy Pride Month, Men's Mental Health Awareness Month. It is the week after I recorded this video, and I told you that this week would be quite rainy. Also, in light of Men's Mental Health Awareness Month, I would like to just iterate. If you're a guy going through things, just know that you can always reach out and talk to somebody. It does not make you weak. It does not make you any less of a man. If you have friends, family, a therapist, reach out. Talk to them, they are there for you. Also, please stay tuned for my video where I head to Cannock again to meet one of my friends who I have not seen for many years. It'll be a longer video, I'm not sure exactly how long. I'm currently still in the process of editing it. Try and get a good angle of the rain. It's coming down quite a bit now. But yeah, this is what I was talking about. Predicting Piper.
Got him!
Let's get gone.
You need to leave!
Yeah, I know I need to leave. What I just said. Homebound. Oh, the nice cool breeze in this well-ventilated jacket. I am loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Why did I just do that? Oh, there's posters up for Pride that's happening in a couple months. That's cool. I mean, Pride month is next month. However, this video is probably going to be going up next month, so happy Pride month if it does. I don't know what date it is. We're in neutral again. Okay, I need to not go to the rightmost thing. There we go. I'm actually in the right lane this time. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit of drone flying. This time it wasn't a complete failure.
Hey, could you run that by me again?
A complete failure, like my English probably is. And we got some riding in. It's 32 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that being said, video is now done. Scan the QR code that you see on the top left hand side of your screen. If you're watching on a TV, scan that with your phone. Take you to my channel. You can subscribe there. Ah, it's so warm. Should have pulled in a little bit further up, I think. Actually, I'm probably going to do that. Yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for all the support, and although my audience is small, my love for you is big, so keep the rubber side down, stay safe, and for the love of all that is good, please use sun protection, and stay hydrated. Okay, bye.